So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Discord unable to send SMS, verification phone number, carrier and retry fix. So how to fix Discord unable to send SMS verification? Check that your phone number and country code are correct and avoid using VoIP or temporary number for verification. Wait for 10 to 30 minutes before retrying. Then restart the Discord app or phone to refresh the SMS request. Ensure your carrier allow verification text and try completing verification using Discord web if the app fails. So, fix 1 is phone number fixes. Enter a number in full international format like +91 for India, your location without spaces or dashes. Example, this number. And also remove the number from any other Discord account first, as each link can to only one. Also request a new code after 10 to 5 minutes to avoid rate limits. So the second fix is wait before retrying. Discord may temporarily block SMS request if you try too many times. Wait 10 to 30 minutes before requesting another code. Don't spam the recent SMS button. Close and reopen the Discord app before trying again. So the third fix is check carrier and SIM restrictions. Some mobile carriers block verification text. Call your customer care and ask if verification SMS are blocked. Make sure your SIM can receive international SMS. Check that SMS service is active, non-data only. Then disable spam or SMS filtering app temporarily restart your phone to refresh network registration. So the fourth fix is check carrier and SIM restriction. Check carrier blocks. Dial 611 version AT&T or 4636 hash T-Mobile to verify short code. SMS services are active. Ask block on app verification text. Log into your career app, my version T-Mobile app, messaging, ensure no spam short code block. Test with a blank OTP or free service. If it fails, request whitelist for Discord short code via chat support. So make sure your SIM can receive international SMS. Most US plan included by default, but toggle it in app. AT&T profile international call, then SMS on T-Mobile, then service, then roaming. Dial hash INTLV version or star 228. Sprint legacy to activate if roaming. Restart phone after only, for example, the option changes as the network changes. In Android, open Messages app, then Settings, then Advanced SMS settings. Turn on international SMS if available. In iPhone, go to Settings, then Message. Enable Send as SMS and check carrier settings update. If you don't see the option, ask your carrier to activate international messaging. So the fifth fix is confirm SMS service is active. Open your Messages app and send a normal SMS to a friend. If it sends successfully, SMS service is active. If it fails, your SMS may be data only or SMS may be disabled. Contact your carrier. Example, check balance, plan via app or star 777, T-Mobile slash star 686 AT&T. Expired prepaid blocks SMS after grace period. Avoid data only MVNOPs. Example, some Mint Mobile. Switch to full SMS plan if needed. So the fifth fix is check or disable spam filters, SMS blocking. In Android, Messages app, then settings, then spam protection, then turn off temporarily. Also check any third party app like Truecaller or antivirus app and disable SMS filtering. In iPhone, settings, then message, then turn off filter unknown senders. Check block contact list and remove unknown numbers if needed. So the sixth fix is restart your phone. And in Android, press and hold the power button, then tap restart. In iPhone, press and hold power plus volume down, slide to power off, then turn it back on. Restarting refreshes network registration and often fixes verification SMS issue. In Fix 7, clear Discord app cache. Mobile. Corrupted app data can stop verification. In Android, settings, then app, then Discord, then storage, then clear cache. In iPhone, delete and reinstall the Discord app. Fix 8. Try verification on web browser. If the app fails, use the desktop browser. Open Discord in Chrome or Edge, log in and complete phone verification there. Sometimes web verification succeed even when the app fails. So the fix 7 is contact Discord support if nothing works. If SMS still won't stand, go to Discord Help Center, then submit a request. Choose phone verification or SMS issue. Mention your carrier and country for faster help. Thank you.